China represents the mysterious East. Let's explore 5 interesting things in this video. The Great Wall of China is one of the most impressive man-made structures in the world. The wall stretches over 13,000 miles across northern China, from the Jiayuguan Pass in the west to the Shanhai Pass in the east. Construction of the wall began over 2,000 years ago during the Warring States period and continued for centuries under various dynasties. The purpose of the wall was primarily defensive, to protect China's northern borders from invasions by nomadic tribes. The wall is made of a variety of materials, including brick, tamped earth, stone, and wood, and is up to 30 feet high in some places. It also features watchtowers, fortresses, and barracks, which were used to house soldiers and store supplies. Today, the Great Wall of China is one of the most popular tourist attractions in the world, drawing millions of visitors each year. Visitors can hike along various sections of the wall, visit museums and exhibits related to its history and construction, and take in stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The Great Wall of China is not only a testament to the ingenuity and engineering prowess of the ancient Chinese, but also a symbol of the country's rich cultural heritage. The Terracotta Army is a collection of more than 8,000 life-sized clay soldiers and horses that were buried with the first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang. The army was discovered in 1974 by farmers digging a well in Lintong District, Xi'an, Shanxi Province. The Terracotta Army is one of the most impressive archaeological finds of the 20th century and is considered a masterpiece of ancient art. The figures are highly detailed and include soldiers, archers, charioteers, and cavalry horses, each with its own unique facial expression and clothing. The army was buried with the emperor to protect him in the afterlife and was accompanied by other burial objects, such as weapons, chariots, and bronze birds and beasts. Today, the Terracotta Army is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most popular tourist attractions in China. Visitors can explore the site's 3 main pits, which contain the majority of the army, and learn about the history and significance of this remarkable archaeological treasure. The Terracotta Army is a testament to the ancient Chinese people's advanced knowledge of art, technology, and military strategy. Chinese cuisine is one of the world's most diverse and popular cuisines, with a rich history that dates back several thousand years. It is known for its unique flavor combinations, use of fresh ingredients, and emphasis on balance and harmony. Chinese cuisine varies widely across different regions of China, each with its own distinctive style and flavor profiles. Some of the most popular dishes in Chinese cuisine include stir-fried dishes like kung pao chicken and beef with broccoli, as well as steamed dumplings, hot pot, and various noodle dishes. Chinese cuisine also features a wide variety of seafood, including shrimp, crab, and fish, as well as a range of meats like pork, beef, and lamb. The Silk Road was a vast network of trade routes that connected the East and West, stretching from China to the Mediterranean Sea. It was named after the lucrative trade in Chinese silk that was transported along the route, but it also facilitated the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures between the various regions it connected. The Silk Road was not a single road, but rather a complex network of routes that spanned thousands of miles, crossing deserts, mountains, and other challenging terrain. The trade along the Silk Road had a profound impact on the development of many civilizations, including the Chinese, Persian, Indian, and Roman empires. Today, the Silk Road is recognized as an important historical and cultural legacy, and efforts are underway to preserve and promote its rich heritage. Traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, is a system of medical practices that has been used in China for over 2,000 years. It is based on the concept of qi, which is the life force or energy that flows through the body, and the idea that the body can heal itself when the qi is in balance. Traditional Chinese medicine includes a range of practices, including acupuncture, herbal medicine, massage, and dietary therapy. These practices are used to treat a wide range of conditions, including chronic pain, respiratory disorders, digestive issues, and mental health problems. While traditional Chinese medicine has been the subject of some controversy and criticism, it remains a popular and widely used form of medicine in China and around the world. Its unique approach to health and healing continues to attract interest and research in the Western medical community. These are 5 things amazing me about China. How about you? Share your comment and your opinion. Please like and subscribe my channel to watch next video. Thank you.